If your BMW has an electric water pump and you've had to drain and fill the system, you need to bleed it before you get back out on the road. But don't worry, it's a super simple process, takes less than 15 minutes, and the best part, you don't need any special tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed your BMW's coolant system. Let's head to the driveway and get started. First things first, you'll want to check your coolant level before you start the bleeding process. If you're on the low side, you'll want to top it off with a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water. No need to go crazy, just fill it until you've reached the max line indicator as you see there. Then put the cap back on the expansion tank and tighten until you have a nice positive click. Next, we'll hop in the car where with your foot off the brake, turn on the ignition to put the car in accessory mode, turn auto off, turn the heat to the max setting and the fan to the lowest speed. Then press and hold the gas for approximately 10 seconds. You'll hear the electric water pump turn on and start to cycle. The bleeding process takes anywhere between 8 to 14 minutes, which gives you plenty of time to pet your dog, kiss your wife, check your pear tree, or put off home repairs. When it stops running, you're done. See, that wasn't so bad. Now wait, before you go, I've got a couple more tips and tricks to make this job easier for you. Never work on a hot engine. Always let your engine cool to the touch before you do any work on the coolant system. You can leave your door closed or you can leave your door open, but choose one and stick with it. If you change your mind halfway through, it will stop the process. Lastly, turn off all lights before you start the process to help keep strain off your car's battery. Well, that's it, folks. That's everything you need to bleed your electric water pump. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like what you saw, check out my other content. Until next time, take care.